Kids News Adventure, because kids deserves real news too. Hey kids, I'm Max, your wild and wonderful weasel. News anchor, and you're watching Kids News Adventure, where the stories are real and the puns are unreal. Today's top story: beavers are building better dams than humans, and they're not even charging us. So, in a magical forest in Czechia, a family of beavers decided to build a dam, right where humans had planned to build one. And get this, they finished it before the government even started. Officials say the beavers saved more than €1 million. That's enough to buy like 1 billion jelly beans. It's not just Czechia. Beavers in Germany stopped floods by building surprise dams, and in Scotland, they outsmarted a real human-made sluice. Who needs engineers when you've got fur, teeth, and teamwork? But in the UK, people were kinda slow to bring beavers back. Maybe they forgot that beavers used to live all across the land until humans kicked them out centuries ago. Well, guess what? They're back. Wild beavers are now officially allowed in England again. Beavers are nature's engineers, helping with floods, droughts, water cleaning, and creating homes for other animals. So kids, next time you see a beaver, saluting, because that furry little tail flapper might just save your town one day. This is Max, reporting from Beaver HQ, saying, damn, that's some good news. Please like and subscribe,